Straight up then to the mid-cap buzzers. Do remember the markets are holding out quite firmly in today's trading session. You do have the frontline indices that are firmly in the green above the 13,500 mark. The broader markets too showing quite a bit of promise. And IT is ruling the roost yet again, and that's largely on the back of the fact that both heavyweights, Infosys as well as Wipro, have bagged billion-dollar multi-year technology contracts. So Wipro has bagged a contract from Metro AG and Infosys from Germany's Daimler AG. Now Infosys has not really disclosed the financial details of the contract, but nonetheless, we understand that this outsourcing deal is over $1 billion. Wipro has estimated the contract with Metro to generate close to $700 million in revenue in the first 5 years. They also have the option to extend the contract by 4 more years, lending to the potential spending of more than $8 billion. In fact, Infosys is going to help Daimler to upgrade its IT operating model and infrastructure across the workplace services, service data centers, networks, and the SAP. So this is definitely keeping IT in the limelight today. Meantime, let's focus in on what brokerages as well have had to say. Quite a positive view coming in. You've got Macquarie's view on Wipro. They maintain an outperform with a target at 416, saying that they've announced this strategic digital IT partnership with Metro AG. It's one of the biggest deals done, one under the new CEO, and they're building in an 8.2 to 10.2% US dollar revenue growth over FY22 to 23. Bajaj Auto is well in the limelight as the company has announced the signing of an MOU with the Maharashtra government to set up a factory that will make the Chetak, the KTM, as well as Triumph and the Husqvarna motorcycles. In fact, this proposed investment in the new facility is going to come next to the existing facility in Chakan near Pune, and it's going to be worth close to 650 crore rupees. The unit is expected to commence its production in the year 2023, and this announcement is coming at a time when the rivals like Hero Motor, Suzuki, etc. have adopted a very go-slow approach. So this is definitely going to bode well. Watch out for Jubilant Food. The stock is advancing in trade as the Domino's Pizza franchise has announced the Unthinkable Pizza, which is essentially India's first plant-based, protein-based product. And this is entirely made from plant-based products. It's 100% vegetarian. It has sensory properties, they say, of chicken. It's expected to provide vegetarians and non-vegetarians an innovative option on the menu. And this is going to be available at all the Domino's Pizza restaurants across Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, as well as Bangalore. Watch out for Aster DM. That too is buzzing in trade as the company is going to invest close to $100 million to set up a tertiary care hospital. This is in the Cayman Islands as part of its plan to set up a clinical excellence hub over there. They signed the agreement, and this pact will be initially developing a 150-bed tertiary and quarantary care hospital, which will be then expanded based on future needs.